If budgeting feels like punishment, this video will change your mind. Most budgets fail not because you don't earn enough, but because they're unrealistic. Today, I'll show you a simple budget that actually works in real life, even if you failed before. Hey everyone, welcome back to Money X Mind, where money meets mindset. If you want control over your money instead of wondering where it went every month, you're in the right place. Let's build a budget that fits your life, not one that breaks it. Why most budgets fail? Most people quit budgeting for 3 reasons. They make it too strict, they forget irregular expenses, they don't track spending consistently. A budget isn't about cutting joy. It's about telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Step 1. Know your real income. Start with your actual monthly take-home income. Not your salary, not your dreams. Your real number. Include paychecks, side income, freelance, or online income. This is the foundation. If this number is wrong, the entire budget collapses. Step 2. Track. Last 30 days. Before planning the future, look at the past. Check the last 30 days of bank statements, credit cards, cash spending. Categorize everything. Housing, food, transportation, subscriptions. Fun spending. No judgment here. Awareness is power. Step 3. Use the flexible 50-30-20 rule. Here's a budget rule that works for most people. 50% needs, rent, bills, groceries. 30% wants, eating out, Netflix, fun. 20% future, savings, investing, debt payoff. And listen carefully, this is a guideline, not a law. If you start at 10% savings, that's okay. Progress beats perfection. Step 4. Pay yourself first. The biggest mindset shift. Savings is not what's left at the end. The moment your income hits your account. Move money to savings, automate it. If you don't see it, you won't spend it. Step 5. Make it realistic. A budget that says zero fun will fail. So include coffee money, entertainment, small rewards. A budget should support your life, not make you miserable. Step 6. Review weekly. Spend 10 minutes once a week checking where you overspent, where you saved. What needs adjustment? Your budget should change as your life changes. Budgeting isn't about being poor. It's about being intentional. Every dollar should have a purpose. If this helped you, hit the like button. It tells YouTube to share this with more people. Subscribe to Money X Mind for weekly videos on money, mindset, and financial freedom. And comment below, what's the hardest part of budgeting for you?